I swear that evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing else but the truth, so help me God.
Thank you so much. Honorable members, here we are. I want to thank you, General, for this exercise. Are we ready, Senior Counsel? Because I'm now handing over to you to lead us.
Thank you, Honourable Chair, honourable members. We're ready to proceed.
Thank you so much. Over to you.
Thank you. Good afternoon, General.
Good afternoon, sir.
And thank you again for your willingness to cooperate with us and to spend some time with us drafting your statement. Are you satisfied that the statement, together with the annexes referred to in your statement, is your statement that you make under oath, and that you are personally comfortable with it to swear to this as the truth?
Yes, I am.
Thank you. Now, we know why we are here. It arises from the media briefing you held on the 6th of July, and that is referenced at paragraph 3 of your statement, and at paragraph 4 there's a reference to the fact that this ad hoc committee established by Parliament had asked you to present to it in accordance with its terms of reference, which you see, and that was on the 22nd of August this year, and the terms of reference, the relevant or the key areas are referenced at paragraph 6 and at paragraphs 4.1.1 to 4.1.18, which is on page 6. Is there anything in those terms of reference that you want to highlight? We are going to deal with some aspects of it relating to your evidence, but you've seen that and you're familiar with those terms of reference. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Thank you.